looking east, folks, at 7:30. There should be no bright objects in the east. Sunset's in the west. This is actually at ground level. Looking back on the large open space behind my property. Through the brush you can see a really bright object or series of objects. It appears to me to be a cloaked ship floating right there, just inches off the ground or a foot off the ground. This is looking at from this camera right here. This camera you see this large bubble distortion right here and a really bright light behind it. Let's see if we pick up any other anomalies around it. The camera itself is moving in the wind. Maybe. Really super bright back there. Look at how washed out it is up here too. There's what should be the sun in the front looking west. We got another big bubble distortion in the front too. Okay, that's giving me trouble. That TV always does. So we got similar giant bubble distortions with bright centers or spots within them. This one appears to be growing also. It is now like that. See some exceptionally bright something back through there. Whatever it is, it's big enough. You can see it's blocking the foliage right here, a neat edge. Nice crisp edge right there. Again, there you see my fence, camera position. That looks to be the other edge of the object right there. And it looks to be the whole thing right there. Giant sphere of light. Exceptionally bright now. It is changing colors on the monitor. It's yellow and red and pink. Looks to be a neat circle. Does not seem to be approaching. I do feel some earthquake or vertigo-like effects right now. That's interesting up there in the trees right there. Looks like a set of eyes. Looks like another set of eyes right here. Looks like a nice big set of eyes right there. There it is again. And there's the one in front. Here we go. Looks like we have some sort of round object right there. Seems to be twisting ever so slightly. Possibly has a hatch in it with something at the top there sticking out of the hatch. Something mounted on the back, antenna or something. Yeah, and then a section below it right there attached to it. It would look like false teeth or something like that, with something inside maybe. Definitely something back there floating. Back up, what do we got here? There is the orb. I'm going to switch camera phones so I can actually use phone. Okay. Alright, coming on live with the new phone, camera phone. Signing off this one. 10 minutes of recording.